Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Sharif. I would like to take this opportunity to explain my professional outlook. I am studying Bachelor Science in Textile Engineering from Daffodil International University with CGPA 3.5 out of 4. I have completed ACC from Milestone College with GPA 4.92 out of 5. I have also completed SSC from Abdul Ghani High School with GPA 4.06 out of 5. I have a passion to be a successful textile engineer. For this reason, I visited many textile industry to accurate knowledge, and that will be very helpful for my future life. Recently, I done a project about water treatment. In this project, I was team leader. It was an excellent teamwork and great experience. I have solid knowledge about Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint, and also good communication experience in English. I have also other skill like creative thinking, time management, teamwork. I have completed many courses like textile testing and quality control part 1, textile colors. I have participation on international summit and textile innovation and sustainability. I have participation many competition in my school or college life. I have good experience in sports like football, cricket, hockey, badminton. I have experience about photography and videography and has been awarded as a textile engineer from Daffodil International University. I need to gain solid knowledge about textile engineering and also need high degree of initiative, hands-on intern experience, a strong presentation skill, good interpersonal skill. For this reason, I badly need a laptop. I believe in myself. I will be a successful textile engineer. That's all of my professional outlook. Thank you for your valuable time to watching my video resume.